Here I would like to show you of the easiest way of how to set an archery bow with its string. For your information, this is an archery string and this is an archery bow. It is a recurve archery bow. So it is called bow and this is called string. I would like to show you the easiest way to set an archery string with its bow. Let's start. To do it, you have to see or know which is the below part of your archery. See, here this part is the below part of this bow. So what you have to do, you have to set one corner, see this corner, this, and then in this position, see, in this position you have to at first set your string with bow in this position. Okay, at first I would like to share one information with you that I am a right-handed person. So in this video all thing you will use all thing for right-handed person. So for right-handed person you have to just follow me, and if you are a left-handed person then if you have to use all thing opposite. Suppose if I say that use your right leg, you have to use your left leg. Okay, then let's start. Then just hold your string in this way, set your bow here, see your leg in this position, leg position. Then you have to step forward, your right leg forward in this way, and what you have to do, see this archery bow will be as close as your waist, not your thigh. If you use in this position, in this thigh position, then it will makes pain in this position. But if you use or hold as close as your waist position, then it will be easier for you and you will not feel any pain. And another thing you can use for this, like this, a pillow, a small size pillow. You can use it on your leg here, like this. See, as closely see, you can see here. It will reduce your pain on your leg. So it will be easier and the easiest method I think you can do to set your archery string with your bow. Let's start. See, push in this way, just in this way. Okay. See, in this way you can set your string with your bow very easily without any other device, without using any rope or any other accessories. And I think it will be very, very easy for you to set an string with your bow anytime, anywhere. Thank you.